Filipinos may face storms, fires and quakes, yet their spirit stands unbroken, no matter what it takes. Resilient hearts with kindness to share, together they rise in hope and in prayer. Oh Lord, we pray for the Philippines, for the victims, the broken, the suffering within. Hold them close, keep them safe in your peace. Lift their hearts, let their sorrow cease. They are loving and gentle, respectful and true, polite in their ways, with faith shining through. Prayerful souls will smile through the pain, with courage to stand and strength to sustain. Sorrow cease. For the souls of the fallen, may they find rest in heaven's embrace, where love is a bless.